Euro USD. Today we'll talk about the euro versus the US dollar before the US inflation data. As you already know, the consumer price index and the core CPI could have a really big impact today on the financial markets, and could really shake the markets, could bring sharp movements and high volatility on euro USD. Risk disclaimer, guys, please read it before I will talk about the euro versus the US dollar. So later today, guys, we'll have the consumer price index, which is expected to report a 0.4% growth in April versus only 0.1% growth in March. Consumer price index, year over year, 5%, 5.0%. Core CPI 0.3% growth versus 0.4 in the previous reporting period. So the consumer price index represents a high impact event and could really shake the market, could bring high volatility. Right now, euro USD, guys, after failing maybe to make a new higher high, or it has jumped above one moment. It has jumped above 1.1075, but it has failed to stay above it. Retest, downside movement. Okay, and let's take a look also on 4 hour, for example. 4 hour. Okay, and here, guys, very important, 1.0941 as the first downside obstacle, former low, and also 1.0909 here as a critical downside obstacle, because if it drops below it, if it makes a new lower low, it could open the door for a larger downside movement. Okay, and the price action signaled maybe exhausted buyers, but right now we are here inside of a potential range, major range pattern, extended sideways movement. That's why, guys, maybe the bias is still bullish. Maybe the buyers are still in the game despite this retreat. So you can see here a retreat before a new rally, retreat before a new rally. Maybe this is only a new retreat before a new leg higher, a new swing higher. And in my opinion, and also fundamentally, guys, if the US reports lower inflation, then maybe euro USD could jump higher, could develop a new upwards movement and leg higher. And also here, personally, I have here an order block. I have a demand zone. I have also the medium line of the descending pitchfork as a dynamic support. So here, if it retests, if it makes only false breakdowns, a bullish pattern in this zone could bring us new long opportunity. So right now, I'll wait also for the economic data, and as I've said, maybe false breakdowns, great separation, retests, bullish patterns here inside of this order block and demand zone, and if it stays above the medium line, because right now and in the short term, maybe we have something like a channel inside of this descending pitchfork between the medium line and the upper medium line, and this could represent a bullish pattern, maybe. Okay, but I need confirmation in the short term, and that's why I would like to see retest, false breakdowns, a bullish pattern here before I will go long. And no, right now I don't want to sell it, only because we have former lows as support levels, we have this order block and this demand zone, and maybe only taking out here and invalidating the demand zone, making a value breakdown below the medium line could bring us potential shorts, or if maybe if the price will come back to retest the upper medium line, maybe we can catch a new sell-off in the short term. So don't forget that later today the economic data should move the markets. The fundamentals, the fundamental factors will move the markets, will move the price, euro USD. That's why we'll have to be careful, because anything could happen, guys. Okay, risk disclaimer, please read it again, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.